Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing great. So in this playlist, actually, we are going to start a new and very trending playlist, which is Transformers from scratch. And in this playlist, what we are going to cover, we are going to cover each and every part of the Transformer from scratch. And also we'll try to cover all the functions, whatever function is available in the Transformers, and also we'll see what are the challenges you might face while working on the transformer, and how it is going to resolve many of the use cases which is already having in our standard library like NLTK or Spacey. These things is there which already solving the lot of problem, but how those things is getting means where the problem is that inbuilt library and standard library, I can say. Okay, how the transformer is going to solve those problems, that we'll see. And yeah, and this playlist will be from scratch. It can be extend like it can be a bigger playlist, but yeah, don't be panic. I will suggest go with this playlist from the scratch and just try to cope up the thing, as many things as you can. I will not say to need to be cope up everything, but yes, at least you can cover at least 60 to 70% of this playlist. It will be good, and also will cover a very trending use case problem which you can show in your resume, and we'll try to build up the GitHub profile as well, so that you can see so these things in your resume as well. Okay, so this is all about this. And before that, what happened, I just want to give the recap. Like, I have completed one playlist of entity classification model, entity classification playlist. In that, I have used Spacey, and we covered how to do the labeling, all the sort of things. Link I can give that in the description. You guys can go there and you guys can check these things. And what will be the agenda of this complete playlist? Like, here we'll see all these things: what is data set, and how we can convert data from data set to data frame, from vice versa, from data frame to data set. Because a lot of time we used to get a data in the form of a data set, sometimes we used to get a data in the form of the CSV. There is many places are there where we are getting at a different frame, so we have to transform our data set into different factor. Like, we have to convert our data frame to data set, and sometimes we have to convert the data set to data frame. So it's a vice versa operation. We'll see all this and what the benefits is there if you are using the data set. Then we'll see what is the tokenizations. Then we'll do the word tokenization, and we'll do the training on training a text classification. Because again, what is the text classification, we'll discuss in the coming sessions. So it's ongoing process, it is, of this playlist. And then we will build a simple training classifier, and we'll do the fine tuning transformers. And also, which some points is not updated in this slides. So what is that, like, there is a one thing which I have not added, like, where is the problem in the Spacey, and how we are going to resolve with the this transformer library. That also is the part of these things. We'll try to figure it out. And then we will fine tune our transformer. And also we'll cover define the performance metric, like how our transformer model, fine tune model, is going to perform well. Then we will do the training of the model, and then we will save our trained model, fine-tuned model, you can say. And then how to share this model into the GitHub repo. So this is the agenda of this complete playlist. So be with this and be aware about these things. Now we'll start all those things from step by step. And feel free, let me know if you guys are facing any kind of problem. One problem I already highlighted in the Stack Overflow, I can share with you. So if you guys are working with what I can say, like, if you guys are working on Mac or Windows, then if you are trying to install PyTorch, then I feel like there is a problem you will face. I had already highlighted in the Stack Overflow. Just go to the Stack Overflow and I can show you what was that problem. I have defined some problem here where I can see questions. Yeah, this problem, you might face this problem while doing the training. Basically, what is this problem? So the prerequisite to this playlist, you should have any kind of this framework knowledge, like TensorFlow or PyTorch or JAX. I suggest if you have any kind of thing like TensorFlow or PyTorch, then you are good for this playlist, to observe this playlist and go with this playlist. But if you don't have, then please first watch the TensorFlow or PyTorch, then you should jump into this playlist. So actually, whenever you will install PyTorch in your system, if you are using Mac or Windows operating system, you will face this problem. But if you are using Ubuntu or any kind of Debian based operating system, you will not face this problem. So why this problem is coming, like whenever we are doing the training on the PyTorch, with the PyTorch trying to use all the resources of your system. Like if you are using 4-core processor, not GPU, then it's trying to use all the CPU or all the GPUs, but sometime it is throwing this error. So and they have not made any kind of hyperparameter while doing this training, so that we can disable those features. So I have found few problem and I have given the solutions as well. So you guys just follow this Stack Overflow link. I'll give this link as well. And still, if it doesn't work, then feel free to put a comment if it doesn't work. So yeah, so I feel like everyone can install the PyTorch and in environment, and then just go ahead with that. And also I will, once this training part has been done, then we will host our model in TensorFlow Hub. So like this is our own model. This is not a base model like which is coming from the TensorFlow. You can see this is my name, and here we have a fine-tuned emotion detection model we deployed into the TensorFlow Hub, and you can check it out at any time. Like you can see the label as well, we are getting what is the accuracy for the model and how it is going to work. As of now, the label name I have should map label 0. What is that? Label 1 is what actually it's a part of curriculum. We will do these things so that it's coming here label 0, label 1, label 2, right? So it should come like joy, love, or kind of thing. It should come, but it's not coming right now, but let it to be. And you can see all the metrics also. This is coming from the TensorFlow Hub. So you guys can also deploy your model into a TensorFlow Hub, that we will see. That is the part of our curriculum. Okay. So hope you understood the agenda of this video, and we'll start from the next video how to start doing these things or whatever we have said in our discussion. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.